मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, we finished on lesson. We finished the book exercise, everything, right? We finished the notes. Have you finished the notes and have you written the home test and all? Some students have written the home test and they send photo also. Very good, my dear kids. Keep doing like this, okay? I'll put test also that I will inform later, okay, ma? So those who didn't finish the notes, please finish the notes, my dear kids, okay? So when the second term exam will come, it will be difficult for you to finish everything. So uh, by time you should finish everything, okay? Okay, today what we are going to learn, we are going to learn one new thing. Do you like magic? We learned on the last class about Jadui Sandak, right? Jadui Sanduk, about the magical box, right? That Anand and Hira got one box, and from that they got, by saying something, they got on some, what they got some they got different colored toys from that, right? So like that, this Ananda and Ira has written some one poem for you about magic, what they are telling, what they are wishing to do, what they are doing, like magic, something they want to do as a magic. So they want to do something like they want to do what they want to, whatever wishes they have, they want to fill with magic, that everything they want to complete it with magic, isn't it? So that they are explaining, they are written one poem and they sent to us to learn, okay? You also learn, my dear kids, okay, ma? So next so which lesson we are going to learn is पाठे काश कर सकूं मैं जादू. काश कर सकूं मैं जादू means hopefully I can do magic. Hopefully I can also do magic. If I can also do magic means whatever I can do. If I can do also magic means what and all I can do, like that. This in this poem, this Ananta and Ira has written that poem. Okay, what they have written, can we see? Okay. See, my dear kids, all take your textbook, page number 44. Up of it, write today's date, 29/01/2021, Shukravar. Write on the up of it. Okay, ma? Okay. I'm going to read. You have to read with me. Okay. Okay, carefully read. Abracadabra, gili gili choo, काश कर सकूं मैं जादू, अपने मन की इच्छाओं को कर सकूं मैं पूरी यूं. Easy only. आब्राकाडाब्रा, गिली गिली चू, काश कर सकूं मैं जादू, अपने मन की इच्छाओं को कर सकूं मैं पूरी यूं. What is that? Abracadabra, gili gili choo. That is one magic name, magic words. Okay, if they are telling, that means the magic will happen. Like that. Last class also we learned something. Na? So like that. What we learned last class, you can see from the last lesson. Something they have done. What is that? Wait. Something they have done now. Something that Ira has told, na? Say after that only that what is that? Let me check. Sorry, my dear kids, I am making you to wait. So what she has done, she has told like a shakalaka boom boom, isn't it? That Ira has told shakalaka boom, like that. Here also one magic word, that is, what is that? Abracadabra, gili gili choo. Then kash kar sakun mein jadoo. If I, hopefully I can also do magic. Apne man ki ichhaon ko, I can finish my the wishes of my mind. कर सकूँ मैं पूरी यूँ. I can complete it. If I can do magic means I will complete my wishes, whatever is in my mind. Whatever wishes I have in my mind, I can do by using the magic. If I can also do magic like that. Who is telling? That Anand or Ira is telling, right? So you can see the meaning here, my dear kids. These meanings you can write on the up of your textbook. Okay, what is the meaning and all? Kash. What is the meaning of kash? Hopefully, right? Hopefully. Kar sakun can do. Kar sakun can do. Jadu magic. Jadu magic. Then mind. Mind. Ichavo wishes. Then puri complete. Okay, this one you should write on your, pause the video and write the meanings everything on your textbook. Okay, abracadabra गिली गिली चू, काश कर सकूँ मैं जादू, अपने मन की इच्छाओं को कर सकूँ मैं पूरी यूँ. If I can, hopefully if I can do magic means I will complete my wishes whatever is there in my mind. Okay, understood my dear kids? That is only that one. Then next you have to take the next page. सीमा, दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर, कभी न रात को होने दूं, बोलूं आबरा का डाबरा गिली गिली छूं, बिजली से धरती की फोटो लूं. ओके, वंस अगेन. दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर, कभी न रात को होने दूं, बोलूं आबरा का डाबरा गिली गिली छूं. Okay, what is that? You see here, can you hear? दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर, कभी न रात को होने दूं, बोलूं आबरा का डाबरा गिली गिली छूं. Okay, दिन भर means all day. खेलूं play, I can play all day. Where I can play? बाग में जाकर. बाग means garden. Baga means what? Garden. So I can go and play to garden full day. If I know magic means I will go and play in the garden. Do you like to play in garden? Do you like to come back from the garden? No, right? So she is also telling that दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर. All day, full day I'll go to the garden and I'll play. कभी न रात को होने दूं. I never allow to come. I never allow what to come? Night. I never allow night to come. Isn't it? If night is coming means our parents won't allow us to play in the garden, right? So that kids are telling that we never want to go from the garden. We have to play in the full day. We want to play there. So दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर, daily I want to play on the garden full day and I never allow the night to come. Like that she is telling. बोलूं आबरा का डाबरा गिली गिली चूं. I will say आबरा का डाबरा. बोलूं means I will say. आबरा का डाबरा गिली गिली, that sentence I will tell, and बिजली से धरती की फोटो लूं. By saying this and all, I will do everything, whatever wishes I have. And what is the first wish? She has the first wish to make the night not to come. She wants to play on the full day in the garden and she don't want to go from there, isn't it? And also she wants what is the second wish? बिजली से धरती की फोटो लूं. बिजली means lightning. Lightning will come now. With that I will take photo of this earth. I will go there up of the earth, up of the sky, and I will take, by using the lightning, I will take photo of this earth. Is it possible? She is telling that if I know magic means I will do this and all. If night won't come means is it possible? No. So but she is telling that if magic I know means I can do this and all. I will go to garden and I will play full day and I will never allow the night to come. And also I will say abracadabra gili gili chu, and also I will make the lightning. I will use the lightning to take photo of the earth. Like that she is telling. So this is the wishes. So more wishes are there. Today These two wishes only enough, okay ma. So because already you have so much to learn, so I have taken these two paras only, okay. First you finish the fifth lesson, learn everything, finish that one, then after that read this lesson, okay ma. Read the lesson properly, everything. So these meanings also you have to write. What is the meaning? Din for all day, right? All day. Kelum, play. Kelum what? Play. Bag, garden. Bag, garden. Then kabina. Kabina means never. Kabi means sometimes. Kabina means never. Okay. Kabina means never. Then Raat, night. Raat means night. Bijli, lightning. Bijli means lightning. Dharti, earth. Okay, once again. Din for all day. Khelu, play. Bag, garden. Kabina, never. Raat, night. Bijli, lightning. Then Dharti, earth. So these are the meanings. So these are all the meanings you should write on your textbook. Okay, my dear kids. So once again can I read? Once again can I read the first one? You see, आबरा का डाबरा गीली गीली छू, काश कर सकूं मैं जादू, अपने मन की इच्छाओं को कर सकूं मैं पूरी यूं. Abracadabra. Read with me, my dear kids. All try to read Hindi, okay? In Hindi, reading, writing, listening, speaking is very important. So, first word is reading. Please read, my dear kids, with me. Abracadabra, gili gili choo, काश कर सकूं मैं जादू, अपने मन की इच्छाओं को कर सकूं मैं पूरी यूं. Understood? आब्राकाडाब्रा गीली गीली चूं, काश कर सकूं मैं जादू, अपने मन की इच्छाओं को कर सकूं मैं पूरी यूं. ओके, देन दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर, कभी न रात को होने दूं, बोलूं आब्राकाडाब्रा गीली गीली चूं, बिजली से धरती की फोटो लूं. once again, दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर, कभी न रात को होने दूं, बोलूं आब्राकाडाब्रा गीली गीली चू, बिजली से धरती की फोटो लूं. once again, दिन भर खेलूं बाग में जाकर, कभी न रात को होने दूं, बोलूं आब्राकाडाब्रा गीली गीली चू, बिजली से धरती की फोटो लूं. Understood? Have you read the meanings and all? Have you read the date? Everything understood? Okay, my dear kids. So this all everything you have to read, and you read once. Please record it and send it to me, my dear kids. Okay, my dear kids. That's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.